Alright people, welcome to our next Yardis video. In this video, I'll do a small review of a couple dancehall artists from Trinidad. Because enough people are asleep on Trinidad dancehall artists. And me also know say enough people do videos like these before already. But you know, me just feel so I think Jamaicans I give Trini as much, ratings as they should. So I could jump in our first video.
SLR fully head like napkin. Try running a rifle war. St. Paul no bus no little hunting. Mac 90 light take care. All my dogs are murderers.
Yo, that youth the bad, that youth the name Rebel 6. If you notice me they have RIP and I start in our video, that's because him get killed, Promising young youth is sad to see him go, but one thing I will notice about Trinidad dancehall to be a badness they talk about. Well, majority, I would say 90% of them a be a badness they talk about. But then that's also because in a Trinidad, like them a real bad man. Like enough Jamaicans sing about this and gun and this and that. But me know for a fact say where them a sing about in a Trinidad, I saw them live. Cause you have the Rasta City, then you have where next one name a Muslim youth them. I don't remember what them name, but anyways, it's what them a be feel longest. So it's like a be a killing and thing are going over there. But make we jump in our next video still. That one a bad too.
In the cemetery, the tombstone set from your birthday to 2020 under your name. Why we just get shoot up? Guys, man, we not get too fucked. Me love it when them young and group up. The boy them soft, like the pillow them in the ayatollah who no look like fruit in a fruit cup. Boy gone in a mug, but not because of no virus. Him gone in a the mug because the pussy tried out Trinidad.
Yeah, wicked. Alright, you see that video there up in the left corner? That's a Jamaican artist. But look how similar that video is to a video when I back, and that is a Trini youth. That this video is a Trini youth, and the Trini youth video come out before a Jamaican youth video. So I not say a copy no man, or biting a man, but me just say, just like most people might talk about how dancehall belong to Jamaicans or Trinidad take your same. So everybody gets something from somewhere. I could jump in that video still. That one is nice too.
Take away the pain. Fuck all them I try for this until them disappear. Say me never into talk until the pussy we not care. We have to deal with drilling, they with killers we appear. Cheese them out and we ready for the war. We got the keys and we got.
Alright. Yeah, that one here, the youth him name Jalano, I believe, something like that. But him do enough, he do nice and he do enough conscious thing and everything, and want him do some dancehall things. So I know everything a bad man thing. So I could jump in a theme song. That song about to get the youths them.
Just summit on. It no easy if you live in a Babylon. Not a politician, tell me where the money gone. No foul, no forget full up with Teflon. Every ghetto youth fed up a hungry days. Just like Trinidad fed up a guns we blaze. Yeah.
What you mean? Then the youth him do enough all kind of song, the bad man song, but this is a girl tune. Me drop them 2 years in the fish was say yo, and I just bad man thing there and they sing good song too. So listen to that one. That youth are wicked. The song about at least. You don't need to go check out it.
She ride fan cook and as soon as she step in, she start the undressing. She no normally do this to them, me have to count my blessing. She left her boyfriend the fat pussy stressing. One day I my man to give her tight pussy stretching. Girl, pussy too good, coming like a blessing.
Alright, back to the next bad man thing now again. The youth are him nice too. I like him. Basically everybody where you see me putting in a people with me with a bum 24/7 I listen to come I love that thing. You know what I mean? Even though I don't support violence still, but
Girl, I see me sweet dog, I'm rolling. From me and you dog, see me wobble. Doing this street, we not chill. So new settings, new skill. Every get a youth, go and search for your dream. New money.
yeah, and last but not least, Prince Swanee. Everybody know him. Him did just upon on stage last night. First of all, I start make that video before the whole on stage thing. And him did upon on stage last night. But everybody know Prince Swanee. I am this. That song are nice too. Enough of you song them nice, most of them.
Get a little life and feel you a sting a guns out in the beamer, dog where you a figure. No so laugh it like it a name singer. Mids pass through the chopper, step like gorilla. 3-5 a spin like one big propeller.
Alright, so yeah, I hit that, Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.